The Constitution of the Bahrain 2002, Provisions on Treaty. Article 37. The King shall conclude treaties by decree, and shall communicate them to the Consultative Council and the Chamber of Deputies forthwith accompanied by the appropriate statement. A treaty shall have the force of law once it has been concluded and ratified and published in the official Gazette. However, peace treaties and treaties of alliance, treaties relating to state territory, natural resources, rights of sovereignty, the public and private rights of citizens, treaties pertaining to commerce, shipping and residence, and treaties which involve the State Exchequer in non-budget expenditure or which entail amendment of the laws of Bahrain, must be promulgated by law to be valid. Under no circumstances may a treaty include secret clauses which conflict with those openly declared. Article 121. A. The application of this Constitution does not breach the treaties and agreements which Bahrain has concluded with states and international organizations. B. Exceptionally to the provisions of the second clause of Article 38 of this Constitution, all laws by decrees. Decrees, statutes, orders, edicts and circulars that have been issued and are in force prior to the first meeting convened by the National Assembly remain proper and valid, unless amended or rescinded in accordance with the regulations prescribed in this Constitution.